So once you've gone ahead and looked at other possible corresponding angles, you'll see these. And the reason for that is simply because you notice the shape that these two angles that we were working with makes. If I connect them by the parallel lines and the transversal, then they form an F. Okay, and so you will see for all the other angles that it also forms an F for those angles. So for C and D, this way it forms an F shape using the parallel arms and the transversal cutting through. Okay, so you'll see with the corresponding angles that they're always on the same side of the transversal and in the same place below or above, respectively, below or above the parallel lines each. And that's how you identify corresponding angles. On to question 2 of discovery exercise 6 for parallel lines. We now measure C and D in the diagram as was instructed for you to draw. And we can see that C, if I place my protractor, is exactly, from what I can read, 70 degrees. Remember the line that you're measuring on to the left, so 0 is on the left on the inside. So that's 70 degrees. So C is 70 degrees, and then we have to measure the size of angle D. So for that, since the D is on the upper side of the parallel line, or the line that I have to measure from, I am going to place the protractor upright this time around, and there's 0 on the right hand side. Now remember the angle is to the right, so I'm going to measure from the right at 0 on the inside. So that goes all the way. I can see the line is over here to 70 degrees again. So D is also 70 degrees. In other words, the conclusion I can make is that C is the same size as D in this case. And they are called alternate angles. And alternate angles are equal. Okay, and I'm just going to go ahead. You guys can go and see whether you can identify another pair of alternate angles which are equal. But as you can see here, the shape that it makes is basically, if you look at these two angles, a Z. So if you take the parallel lines on which they are and the transversal between them, and you connect it all, you find it forms a Z, or if you turn it sideways, an N. Okay, and so the other two angles, which also form a Z or an N, but it's just the other way around, is, let's call this X and Y. So as you can see this way, it forms a Z, which is backwards. But what the requirement is that it's on different sides, that's the word alternate, different sides of the transversal, but it's always going to be between the two parallel lines. Okay, in question 3 or instruction 3 of the discovery exercise 6 for parallel lines, we are now going to do the measurement of the angles marked with E and F and see what we discover about them. So we place our protractor where the two lines intersect, and then we measure that angle, and from what I can see it's about 105 degrees. Remember, your angle is to the left, so we're going to measure from 0 on the left, which is on the inner set of numbers, and that gets you to 105 degrees over here. So E is 105 degrees. And then if I turn it the other way around, F is on the upper side, that's why I have to turn it around here, and I'll put it where your two lines intersect and start measuring. Once again, now the angle is to the left again, 0 being on the outside numbers, I go all the way at 75. Okay, so F is 75 degrees. And what now this time around, see, they're not equal, but there's something else I notice about them. If I add them together, it's 180 degrees. And these angles we call co-interior angles. Okay, and co-interior angles are not equal but supplementary, as in they add up to 180 degrees. Okay, so 105, you can check on that, plus 75 degrees give you 180 degrees. Okay, so you can see here what they do is they form between the two parallel lines, and on the same side of the transversal they form a U that's been turned sideways. Okay, so it always forms a U. And the other pair of angles I can identify is on this side. That's the only two other angles. So let's call that V and W. So V and W. Okay, and they also form the U, but also turn sideways. It always just depends on what direction the parallel lines are facing as to whether it would form a U sideways or the right way up.